Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make collages on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, we just need to drag the image. After dragging the image for making a collage, here on the left you can see here many options, and here is an option you can see here collages. Click on that, and from here you can just choose the type of collage that you wanted. After selecting the collage, click on the blank space and you can just add the image by clicking the symbol, and from here you can just choose the image from your device. And after selecting the image, click on open, and then you can see that it had been opened here, and then click on the other blank areas and do it like that. And after that you can see that, and from here you can just adjust the size of the images like this. And this is how you can make collages on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.